Shooting your first wedding. From Susan Taylor Photography. Video 3. Reducing your workload. Now that your timetable for the wedding day is clear, if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't panic. There's lots you can do to lighten your day's work. How you can reduce your workload depends on whether you are being paid or working as a favor. If you are capturing the wedding as a favor for a friend and you feel you may have taken on too much, go back to the bride and groom and suggest that you just cover parts of the day. If they still want whole day coverage, ask if they have a family member or friend who might help out. If you know another photographer who might be happy to work for the experience, you could share the work between you. Whoever you work with, be sure you both know which parts of the day you are responsible for. If you are being paid, is there anything you can capture before the day? Such as the wedding dress and accessories? Is there anyone you could pay to assist you on the wedding day to help you with your equipment and setting up shots? Could you split the work, and the fee, with another photographer? For example, they might do behind-the-scenes images whilst you capture the ceremony and celebrations. Be sure that the bride and groom would be happy with this. If you are working with another photographer, divide the work clearly between you and, most importantly, choose someone you can really trust to do a good job. But don't just ignore your worries and hope for the best. But now it's time to move on to the next stage of our preparations. Now we'll visit each location we'll be working at to make sure that our time on the wedding day runs as smoothly as possible. The next few videos will show why visiting is so important. Next, watch video 4. Preparation for photography at the bride's home. Here's where we'll see why, if you've been asked to take pictures of preparations at the bride's home, a visit is essential. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to ring the bell for notifications. Or if you find the video helpful, you could even buy me a coffee. Just use the links below.